What's up, YouTube? It's Joel Too Cool, and we're doing a Chemical Guys mystery box. This is the Stuff Your Stocking mystery box. So it's a lot of the sampler sized. You'll see, yes, the box is already open. The reason behind that is I ordered 2 of these, and they came in the same package. So all I did was I split them up, and we'll do each one individually. So this was the Stuff Your Stocking mystery box. You see here it's retailed at $14.99, guarantees you $30 worth of stuff. So at the end of the video, we'll total up what we got for the MSRP versus what their current price is, and we'll see how we did. Let's move on over here and see what we got. Alright, so let's see what we got. First thing out of the box is P40 P40 Detailer. It's a sprayable carnauba. I'm assuming it's like a quick detailer. Yep, it's a quick detailer, and it just has carnauba wax to help preserve and protect the paint that's on the surface there. You'll want to use this after you've cleaned. Maybe if it's just a little bit dusty, that's when you go to a quick detailer. And like I said, with carnauba, this is just going to add a little bit more protection. So that's pretty nice. And it's a full-size 16-ounce bottle. A little bit surprised there. Next thing on the list here is Innerclean. It's an interior quick detailer. It's just a all-surface cleaner for your dashboards, for your leather, vinyl, anything interior that you want to clean, probably other than fabric. This would be a good choice to go with. Now, Chemical Guys has other interior cleaners as well, so that's just one of their options they have. So next, what do we got here? Natural Shine. So I'm new to this one. Natural Shine. So it's another vinyl, rubber, and plastic protector. This is probably something you can use on your dashboards. And the plastics after you use an interior cleaner. So that's pretty nice. So we got a little combo going on there. Ooh, this is a good one. It's their signature series wheel cleaner. Now, wheel cleaner, pretty self-explanatory. You're going to spray it on under your wheels. You're going to brush it to get them clean. The brush will just agitate it. And then after you're done cleaning it, you'll want to put a coating of some sort on. So the next on the list is Silk Shine Dressing. So this is another little bit of a combination here. That would go with the wheel cleaner after you clean your wheels. You'd use something like this. This is just going to add a gloss. This one may be a flat, so it's a silk shine. Well, hence the title, I guess, right? But anyway, this is just going to preserve all the hard work you did cleaning your tires. That's just going to make it look brighter, wet tire look, and keep it cleaner for longer. And the last thing in the box, I think it's the last thing. Yep, last thing in the box here is Mr. Pink. So this is a Super Sud shampoo. It's just a car wash soap. I'm going to try that out with a foam cannon. The nice thing about these 4-ounce bottles, I mean, unfortunately for the soap, it's going to be a one-time use. 2 ounces in the foam cannon, 2 ounces in the wash bucket. But for some of this other stuff, like the interior cleaner and some of the dressings, yeah, I don't necessarily need 16 ounces of. Something like this, a 4-ounce bottle, that'll do me great. I also failed to mention you get the Chemical Guys sticker with the smaller box. I guess you get the smaller sticker. That's the 5-inch sticker as opposed to the 8-inch, which comes with the mystery box and the mystery bucket. So I have everything totaled up for you. It's a nice little haul. Spent $15. Got a decent amount here. If you want to learn more about these products, go over to chemicalguys.com. and look them up and tell me what you think about them. This is Joel Too Cool. Thanks for watching.